Hello everybody, my name is Lloyd. I'm a gas safe registered engineer, a Masterful Engineer working for A&R Boilers out of the Manchester office, and today we did a call for no heat, no hot water. Very quickly diagnosed a faulty circulating pump, and I have changed that pump now, and as you can probably hear, the boiler is working and we're starting to come up to temperature. So this is thanks to Tony's expert training in the Manchester office. Tony's got a wide variety of combination boilers on the wall that we use frequently to fault find and repair. We also use them in preparations for jobs. So Tony will give us a sort of a mission briefing before we go, allowing us to see the fault beforehand. And again, this very happy customer's heat and hot water is working. So if you'd like to get expert training, contact Tony now.